Hey everyone, is your Wi-Fi connected but the internet is not working? Don't worry, here are some easy fixes you can try. Step 1. Check internet on other devices. Connect another laptop or phone to the same Wi-Fi if internet is not working. There too the problem is with your Wi-Fi network. Step 2. Refresh the connection. Turn off Wi-Fi. Wait a few seconds. Then turn it back on. Step 3. Restart your router. Turn off your Wi-Fi router. Wait 30 seconds. Then turn it on again. Step 4. Forget and reconnect it. Go to Settings, Wi-Fi, tap your network, choose Forget, then connect again by entering the password. Step 5. Check date and time. Go to Settings, Date and Time, and turn on Automatic Date and Time. Step 6. Reset network settings. Go to Settings, System, Reset Options, Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile and Bluetooth. Final tip, if internet is still not working, contact your internet provider or check if there is a network outage. And that's it. This step should help fix Wi-Fi connected but no internet issue on Android phone. Like, subscribe and share for more easy Android tips.